Today, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube videos offline. Whether you're traveling in an area with poor internet connection or just want to save data, this guide will help you. So let's get started. The easiest way to watch YouTube offline is by subscribing to YouTube Premium. Here's how it works. Just go to the YouTube app on your device, tap on your profile, and select Get YouTube Premium. With YouTube Premium, you can download videos and playlists directly to your device for offline viewing. Now, once you have YouTube Premium, downloading videos is very easy. Find the video you want to download and tap on the download video button. Click on view. And here you can see downloads. Now, if you don't have YouTube Premium, you can still watch videos offline by simply downloading it. And on the downloads you can find the video. The thing is that you cannot download each and every video. You can only download the specific video that has been given permission, and that's it. You now know how to watch YouTube video offline, whether you choose to subscribe to YouTube Premium or explore the other option.